Again, nagpapasintabi ako kay Fiang at sa kanyang management, mga kaibigan ko yan. About comments, ikaw naman madalas kang i-compare kay Fiang. Of course.
PBB Gen 11 big winner na si Fiang Smith, niresbakan ni na Isner at Charlie Fleming. Kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat! Welcome back to Philippine Celebrity Broadcast. Usap-usapan pa rin sa mundo ng social media ang PBB Gen 11 big winner na si Fiang Smith matapos kumalat sa sockmate ang inasta ng dalaga sa iba't ibang event na pinuntahan.
Alam mo, kahit ilang batch pa yan, walang makakatalo sa batch namin. That's hello, Gen 11! Breaking highest, hello!
Sa programa nga, nagbatikang TV host na si Boy Abunda na Fast Talk with Boy Abunda ay sumalang ang dalawang finalist ng PBB Collab Edition na sina Isner Ranolio at Charlie Fleming, na kung saan tinanong ni Tito Boy ang dalawa kung anong masasabi ukol sa nag-viral na komento ni Fiang na hanggang ngayon ay mainit pa rin na pinag-usapan ng mga tsismusa.
About comments, ikaw naman madalas kang i-compare kay Fiang. Of course.
Fiang pala to!
How do you react? I mean, how do you react? Kasi marami ang sasabi, look,
God.
she's 16, 17, 16.
Yes, 16 po.
Oh, 16, but she's more mature. Again, nagpapasintabi ako kay Fiang at sa kanyang management, mga kaibigan ko yan, only because you heard about this.
Yeah, I've seen a lot about it, honestly.
Right, okay. We're coming from there. What is your, anong reaction mo?
Actually po, nagugulat po talaga ako, natatakot po talaga ako because I really don't want to be compared to other artists, especially po in a derogatory way. And yung pag-wisdom po and being mature, it really comes from experience. It comes from understanding po.
Hindi sinasadya, ikaw talaga
Hindi
yun.
po talaga siya sinasadya.
Pero, you know, when people compare you, you have totally no control about it.
I have totally no control.
Wala naman talaga.
And I haven't spoke up about it because it's definitely not something that I want to put myself in.
Do you know each other?
No, we've met once only. I've said hello. I've introduced myself, but we don't actually follow each other. We're not
You're
friends
not you're not acquaintances. You're not friends yet.
Hindi din po.
Sa patuloy nga ng kwentuhan ni na Tito Boy Abunda kasama ang dalawang collab housemate na sina Isner Ranolio at Charlie Fleming, ay tinumbok agad ni Tito Boy ang dalawa kung saan diritsahang tinanong kung ano ang reaksyon nila sa nag-viral na ginawa ni Fiang Smith.
Ano ang inyong reaction dalawa nung, you know, it was very public when Fiang said na wala pa rin, I don't know if this is an exact quote, na parang, ay wala pa rin makakatalo sa batch namin.
Hindi naman po ito competition.
Yeah, it's not a competition.
I feel like
But the business is a big competition. You know what I'm saying, Esnir? Oo.
Pero feeling ko, Tito Boy, yung iba't ibang season, may iba't ibang taste po talaga. At sa amin po, we can say na unique din po talaga yung season namin. At tinangkilik po talaga naman tayo.
Yeah, our seasons are different. This is the first GMA and ABS collab. So it's completely different from what batch they have.
Iba-iba kami ng amats, kumbaga.
Yeah.
At I love their season 2.
She's really very interesting. This is not about her, no? Pero kayo ba, as young artists, do you have extra effort to get to know people who've been here for a long time, people who paved the way?
Sa dulo nga ng kanilang topic ay hindi na nagpaligoy-ligoy pa si Tito Boy Abunda, na kung saan isa sa binalikan nito ay ang kontrobersyang ginawa ni Fiang Smith. Para sa buong detalye ng kwento, narito ating panoorin ang video.
Yes,
you know, of course, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. This has something to do with the controversy of Fiang and not knowing very well Miss Pops Fernandez.
Yes, po.
Kayo ba, you go out of your way to really know ang mga artista na nakapaligid sa inyo?
Of course po, Tito Boy, I have a lot of respect po talaga lalo na sa mga big stars.
Yeah.
At saka talaga kilalanin din, no?
Lahat po dapat may magba-background check po tayo, ganyan. Kasi same lang po tayo ng industry.
I saw that conversation you had with Vice.
Yes po.
Wonderful conversation. Diba? Tama ba ako? You cannot be a Vice ganda, but you can be...
And Esnir. Love
Diba?
that.
Ganda ng point ni Vice na yun. Ikaw, Charlie, in that respect?
Ako naman po, of course, I don't know all of the veterans that we do have, but I really do try to get to know them din po. And even through the shows that we have in GMA, minsan po they're there. And the last show I did po was Widows War, was filled with veterans, wonderful veterans. And I can say that I've learned so much po from them.
Now, ako naman, in fairness, I just wanted to say this. As watching the videos, wala akong nakita naman na outright sinabi ni Fiang, I don't know Ms. Pops Fernandez. I mean, she wanted to be courteous, but she has her way. And we respect that.
Thank you!
Galing.
Kamusta naman? Support. Gia, what can you say? Grabe, ang galing nila.
Yes, mga kamag-anak, napanood na nga namin ang first episode ng Ghosting at nagustuhan namin siya. Good vibes lang kasi siya, saka isa pang nakaka-good vibes dito ay yung support ng mga fans nila dahil sobrang lala, sobrang tindi. As in, buhos yung support nila kay JM, kay Fiang at sa lahat ng cast.
Pinatapin na talaga si Sophia Smith.
At habang pupunta ako sa registration, nakita ko pa si Ivana Alawi na talagang ang ganda rin. And after nyan, syempre pumasok na ako sa sinehan. Nakita ko pa nga sina JM, sina Jello, sina Kobe. I'm excited! At yan na nga, ready na yung mga uupuan ng mga stars natin.
At si Colette, nasa harapan ko lang. Ayun.
At pati si Miss Rochelle Pangilinan nandito. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung mga fans. At bago man magsimula, lumabas muna kami para kumuha ng pagkain. At naabutan nga namin na ini-interview yung mga cast. At grabe ang fresh nila talaga kanina. At ito nga pala, dito kami kumuha ng pagkain.
Thank you, grabe bongga ng fans ng Fiang talaga. Walang panula. Fiang, baka naman.
Thank you so much, Team Fiang Official.
At pabalik nga kami, naabutan pa namin sina Fiang, ina-assist sila ng mga marshal. And then after a few seconds lang, tinawag na rin sila dahil marami na talagang excited ang mapanood ang Ghosting.
Magandang gabi!
Yes,
Team Ghosting! This evening, meron po kami mga nakasalo.
Grabe!
Ang galing ni Fiang. Na-surprise ako kay Fiang.
Diba? Natural, no?
Siya talaga. Akala mo nakailang teleserye ng galing. At syempre si JM, I love. Kapatid ko. Bunso ko yun sa movie. Galing, ganda.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat!